Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video took me a long time to make because I have to finish my recognition. By the way, my ninang LJ gave us this box. My mommy and my daddy and me, they give this box to all of us. Ta-da! Let's open it up. Oh, this is heavy. Look. Let's see what's inside. It's mac and cheese. Oh, I know this one. You guess what it is? Guess what it is? If you get it right, it is peanut butter. Crazy bunny? It's crazy bunny. Peanut beans. Do not look at this. This is for last. Which one? Which one? Which one? Right. 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 Ooh, sweeties. No. You cannot see. Apple sauce. That's a surprise. Yum. Ah. Thank you. Oh. Maybe we should keep this later. It's a bit squished though. Also this one. It's almost squished. It's okay for this one, I guess. Squish. Snickers! Squishy Snickers! Like, square. This goes here. This way. We should eat this now. It's easy. Huh? Thank you. Yummy! Thank you for this, Ninang LJ. Thank you, Ninang LJ and family. Thank you for this. Now you should get it to the rest. Actually, this is our second package. Because the first one we forgot to upload it because my phone broke. That's all for now, guys. And don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Thank you. Bye.